Let's solve this together. It says 25 raised to the power x is equal to 1250. We're required to solve for x in this question. Okay? First things first, 25 can be reexpressed to be equal to 5 squared, and 1250 can be reexpressed to be equal to 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2. Now, replacing this with these in this equation, we have 5 squared raised to the power of x to be equal to 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2. Okay? Now, when you have a number raised to power, a number raised to power, another number, you multiply the power. So we have 5 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2. At this point, we can take the logarithm of both sides. So we have the logarithm of 5 raised to the power 2x to be equal to the logarithm of 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2. And this logarithm we're going to take it in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 5, so we take logarithm in base 5 of both sides. Now, at this point, you can say logarithm of 5 to base 5 raised to the power 2x, you can multiply the power with the log. So we have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 5 is equal to logarithm of this side. You can split up. So we have logarithm of 5 raised to the power 4 plus logarithm of 2. Okay? Both in base 5. We can now say logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. This strikes out. So 1 times 2x is 2x. To be equal to 4 multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 5 plus logarithm of 2 to base 5. Logarithm of 5 to base 5 again will strike out to give us 1. So we have 2x to be equal to 4 plus logarithm of 2 to base 5. Again, we have dividing each term by 2, we have that our x here will be equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 5. And this becomes the final answer to this question.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.